Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the tutorial of how to input new cars in GTA San Andreas. This game was published in 2004, so we want to put new cars in this game. So today I'm gonna show you how to put these cars. So let's start. So here I will show you. I will input new cars as here. This car name is Landstalker. In short form, DFF they say Landstall. So let's get into the car and let's look at the name here, right corner down below. Can you see this green one? Landstalker. So what am I going to do is I will replace this car as a Range Rover Autobiography. So it will be very exciting. So let's start now. For replacing, we just need 3 applications that are, of course, GTA San Andreas, and two applications are Zarchiever and GTA IMG tool. For the Zarchiever, it's just file manager application, but it's different with other file manager It's a very clear application where we can make anything copy paste very easily. That's why we usually use Zarchiever file manager and for GTA San Andreas and other apps. So let's open this green one, Zarchiever, and let's get to the Android. And let's get to the OBB, and let's swipe down, and you will see this comdocrockstargames.gta.sa. So click on that, and you will see patch.8.comdocrockstargames.gta.sa OBB. Here the second one. For your name is, I'm not sure how they will write, but I'm sure for this one my one is patch.8.comdocrockstargames.gta.sa.obb. So click on that and you will see view here. You will see it with the eye icon. If view, click on view, and let's go to text TV. Here text TV, and click on that, and you will see GTA3.img. You'll see GTA3.img, so you just need to long press on GTA3.img, and you just need to copy that. Copy it, and here I will show you. This 2 dot is called back. In all the applications, it's called back. 2 dot and file is back. So let's click on that and swipe up and click on back. Click on back, and you just need to go to Android again. Go to data. And swipe down, and go to comdocrockstargames.gta.sa, and go click on files, and you have to create one new file called text TV. So click on 3 dots, up right corner, and click on create, and click on new folder, and just erase all the things. And you have to write the thing that I write here. You can't change any words, or you can't change the capital letter or small letter. So just write TEXTB. Just click on the OK, and just click on this paste icon, and it will take a small of time. We got it here. It's called GTA3.img. And we have got GTA3.img in our comdocrockstargames.gta.sa data file. So now what we have to do is we have to just get into the GTA IMG 2. Okay, let's get into the GTA IMG 2 now. Here is GTA IMG 2. Click on that, and click on Open IMG, and search for Android. Here Android. Click on Android and click on Data, and go to comdocrockstargames.gta.sa. Here it's comdocrockstargames.gta.sa here. So click on that, click on the files, click on the text TV, and you just need to click GTA3.img, and you have to click on the select button, and here search file. Click on tap on search file, and search for LANDSTAL, Landstall, because our DFF car name is Landstall, so we have to search Landstall in GTA3.img too. So it will appear like this, landstill.dff, and you have to long press on landstill.dff and click on replace. And at first I say right here is a 2 dot means back, so let's click on back, 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 back. So here is, I think it's a main file. Yeah, it's a main file. So let's go to our mod downloaded folder. So let's go to the download folder and click on the downloaded car folder, and here you will see landstill.dff. Here it's called landstill.dff. So just click on that and just select, and you will see 3 dot here. Sorry, click on 3 dot and click on rebuild. You will see rebuild here, so just click on rebuild. Okay, that's all. Now you get it. So let's get into the GTA SA. We're getting into the GTA San Andreas application. I'll just click on start. We'll skip it. Okay, let's go. Come on. At first, the Landstalker was the old car, or the original car from GTA San Andreas application, and now I have inputted it. So let's look at. Go to the car spawn, vehicle spawn, and the Landstalker. Boom! Here, we got it, Landstalker. Landstalker become a Range Rover autobiography. Oh, that's all. Okay, so I hope you guys will get it, and thank you for your paying time for my video till to end. Hope you will subscribe my channel and like this. If you like this video, click on the like button, and you can comment in the comment section. So I will give all the download links in description. And okay, thank you for your watching. That's all.